Hi, I am Mrs. Crescent, and this is
Liam James Crescent.
And we are going to show you a tutorial on how to use Khan Academy and kind of show you an expectation I'm going to have for homework this year. So I'm not a huge proponent of homework, but I am a huge proponent of working on reading and math outside of the classroom. However, when I say I'm not a big proponent of homework, I mean I'm not into doing rote practice over and over and over again. So every night I would like my students to hop on Khan Academy if they are so able to do so. And so we're going to show you what that looks like. So where all good things must start at Google. If you just type in Khan Academy, see it's KHAN, and your student will already have a login. So click on Khan Academy, choose your subjects, teachers start here, parents start here. Well, your student is already going to have a login, so you're going to go up there to login. My son, I created an account for him. The password's already there, but obviously you would type in the password right there and click login. And so when you go in, I would like your student to start on 3rd grade. If they need a little refresher, you could have them go to 2nd grade and go through that. There's nothing wrong with that. And 3rd grade, okay. So if you go to 3rd grade, and you always want your student to be working on their mission. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Liam's mission that he's working on. And here it says Mastery Challenge, strengthen skills you've already practiced. Well, what this is going to do is if you click on this, it's going to give you kind of like cyclical questions. So every night, hang on. Please don't touch it, Liam. Every night, I would like, see how you open it up. There's 3 there. He already did one of these, but there's 3 problems he could do. Every night, I would like your child to at least do whatever problems pop up for their mastery challenge. So whether it's those 3 or what. So Liam, go ahead and take a look at this. Which image shows 4 times 5? Or sorry, 4 times 8?
The last one, that the 3rd one.
C. Okay, why is that 4 times 8?
Because the 8 are inside all the 4 boxes, and the boxes are holding. There's 4 boxes holding 4.
There's 8 flowers.
8 flowers.
4 times.
4 times.
Okay, so Liam had a kind of a grasp on that. So we would sit and maybe talk about, 8 flowers 4 times, or you could have 4 flowers 8 times. So I would have a conversation with him about that and kind of talk about that a little bit. But he can grasp what 4 times 8 looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and click check, and then go ahead on to the next question. Now, which of these shapes is a quadrilateral but not a rhombus? Well, this is one that we might not be as familiar with. So I'm going to go down here and click watch a video in Intro to Quadrilaterals. And again, this is something else that I would love for
talk about in this video
my students to get used to going through these videos, listening to them on their own, because some nights I will assign you a specific video to watch. And what's neat about this idea is that you could pause it and have conversations with your child about it, or have them rewatch it, or write down any questions they have, or ask them to teach you what they learned when they're done with this.
Shapes with 4 sides. And the mathy word for shapes with 4 sides is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. And anytime you see quad as part of a word, it's a good...
So it goes through, this is a longer video. Most videos I would say are about 2 minutes, or somewhere around there. So once they watch it, and they earn points for watching it. So then they also have, let's see, Liam, do you know which of these shapes is a quadrilateral but not a rhombus? Okay.
When you get stuff wrong, your brain is growing.
This is true. We'll talk more about that in another video. But for right now, which of these shapes is a quadrilateral but not a rhombus? Do you remember what a quadrilateral is?
Yeah, it's 4 sides that are the same length and the same weight.
Okay, so quadrilateral, quad means 4, but a rhombus means but not a rhombus. Okay, so it has to be a quad but not a rhombus. Rhombus, remember, each side has the same length. So C, you pick C right now, that's not right because that each side has the same length because it says which one is a quadrilateral but not a rhombus. So that has the same length. Good, so you can just click that off. How about this one? Let's look at D. Do all of those have the same length?
Yes.
Yes, so that is also a rhombus. How about this one? No, we don't want that one. We don't want it to be a rhombus. These ones are confusing because they want it to be a quadrilateral, but not a rhombus. Okay, is this one a quad? A, let's look at A. Is A a quadrilateral?
Yes.
It has 4 sides, just double check for me. Because quad means 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
I mean, 1. Yep, 5, so that's not it.
Okay, so which one does it have to be?
The B.
B, because these two are rhombuses. This one is not a quadrilateral. So the only option that could be right is B. And did you just make a mistake there?
Yes, and then my brain grew.
It grew.
It fired.
Yes, which is called a synapse. Okay, so let's check that out and see if we got it. Got it right. Okay. And then it shows you we've leveled up 2 skills and it gives you what they just worked on for that. And then continue to next task. And you always do that. It's going to bring up the next one. Okay. 14 problems. Okay. And some nights you're going to get this. So Liam, do you know what 9 times 2 is?
Yes.
What?
It's 2 9 times, and then it equals. What is it? Oh, I know that one, but
Okay.
my head is just trying to go to sleep.
Okay. Well, why don't you put 9 in your head?
No,
9 on your fingers.
Oh, now I know it. It's 18.
Okay. Okay. So then you type it in. Hang on.
And how you type it in is where you press either buttons that you need to do it, but first you need to tap in the box.
Okay. Oh, whoa. 9 times 9. Okay. Here's a good one because we have not worked on multiplication this high yet, right? 9 times. We could add that up, right?
It's 18 again.
No, that's 9 plus, you're thinking 9 plus 9. 9 times 9 would be 9 times. So let's look at watching a video, or now I want to show people the use a hint button. So, still stuck? Get a hint. However, if you use a hint, the problem won't count towards your progress, which is okay. So get a hint. And they show you this. We can think of 9 times 9 as 9 rows of 9 circles. How many circles are there? Well, it shows them. Now we know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay,
10,
so Liam, look
11,
at, stop.
12.
There's 9 in each row. See it? 9 in the first row. And then, so there's 9 that way, 9 that way, 9 that way, 9 that way. But then we have those 9s. 9 one time, 9 2 times, 9 3 times, 9 4 times, 9 5 times, 9 6 times, 9 7 times, 9 8 times, 9 times. But if that doesn't make sense, get another hint. Oh, okay, 9 times 9. Or, another way you could show your child is just going 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, 9 times, and showing them how to add it up too. So, hang on. Here's the thing though. I don't care how you teach your child how to do their math problems. However, I do want you to talk to them about, using different strategies, being okay with being flexible with math. Okay, stop. Okay, so, and right there, that amount of time that we just spent doing that is pretty adequate amount of time that you need to spend.
Can I get a popsicle?
No way. So thank you for listening.